Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Hostinger email to your Gmail. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Hostinger website. So let's search for Hostinger on Google. So here this is our result. So click on this website. Alright, so over here what you have to do is click on login and log into your Hostinger account either by GitHub, Google or Facebook. Alright, so now I'm going to log in through my Gmail. So here you can see my account is already created. So here what you have to do is Hostinger is not a free service. So here you have to pay for the service. So now let's click on email. So here you can see we have our different email plan. So here we have Hostinger Business Starter Pack with $1.59 per month. So here we have Hostinger Business Premium with $3.99 per month. And here on the right hand side you can see we have Google Workspace email which has a 3-month trial. So here once you click on this, we have to enter your credit card information. So here you have to choose a payment method and enter your payment method information. So since I don't have a payment method right now, I'm going to skip this process. So here you have to add your payment method over here, and once you have purchased a plan, you can go to email section once again, and there you have an option to add an email. So on that email what you can do is add your Gmail account on that email. So on the next tab what you have to do is open your Gmail to link the Hostinger with Gmail. So once you go under Gmail, on the right hand side you can see the settings icon. Click over here and click on see all settings. So once you do that, click on this accounts and import option, and once you do that, here we have 2 sections that we can make changes to. So here what you have to do is, depending upon the plan, you'll have an option to add email on Hostinger. The email should be added over here as well. So here on the grant access section, click on add another account and add your Hostinger email, and same for the another option as well. Once you do that, your Hostinger email will be connected to Gmail. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.